Welcome to the next session on MATLAB basics. In this session, we will take up the last decision-making technique of MATLAB, that is nested switch statements. It is possible to have a switch as part of the statement sequence of an outer switch. Even if the case constants of the inner and outer switch contain common values, no conflict will arise. I'll explain you with the syntax. Switch character 1, say you have some value over here, case A, you will print it here if this character is A. So you will print this. Now you will switch and you will go to another character over here. Say you have written over here character B. Case is A and case is B. Now since I said that here it will be B, so I will equate this and this case. Once they're equal, I'll print this statement. So first, by reading this, you have printed here. Second, by comparing and knowing that this is case B for character 2, you will write here. This B is a part of inner switch. And then you'll have case B over here. If this switch over here has B instead of A, then you will just print this statement. So if you have A, you will have something from here also, and from B you will have to print this statement. So let's check over here. A is given as 100, B is given as 200. Switch A, we will take up A is 100 over here, case 100. So obviously we will go for 100 is equal. So you will print this statement. This is part of outer switch, and you'll print the value of A, that is 100. Next you will go to B is 200. So you will equate this 200 and this case 200 and you will print this. When you get out of this loop, these two are just written with no switch case, which means they are just written separately. So you definitely have to write down this value. So you will have to write exact value of A is from here 100 and exact value of B is from here 200. Let's write this program and check in MATLAB. I'll label it as C8. Let's run C8 and see what result I get. See, you have got, this is part of outer switch 100 from here, because 100 and 100 got equated. Similarly, this B is 200 and this got equated here. So this statement is also printed. Okay, there is a mistake here. It should not be B, this should be A. So you would have got this value of B here. And here if you check, exact value of A and exact value of B has got printed. So let's change and run and see what do you get. Okay, so you have got what is required. This is part of outer switch 100 from here. This is part of inner switch over here, B 200, and these are the two values. Now suppose I'll change this A to 10. Let's see what happens. Because this is 10, now these two have not matched. So this statement ideally should not be printed. It should directly go and print these two statements. So you see here exact value of A is 10 and exact value of B is 200. These two statements have not got printed because the first condition itself is not satisfied. A is 10. Next, suppose if I put up B as 20 and A as 100. And let's see what is the result. You can see here, this is part of outer switch and you have got the value. The reason is these two have got matched A. So the first switch case is on and I have got the value. Previously what happened here is the initial value did not match, so it did not enter into the next case itself. Now suppose if I write both as 10 and 20. I'll change both the values and let's run and see what do I get. I get only these two statements because these two have not been satisfied. So that is how you go for nested switch statements. So if you have two conditions to satisfy and then only you should get the result, you should use this kind of a decision making command. So with this I end the session. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.